Hello, this is with Lock, and the lock I have for you today, or at least for this particular video, is the Marlin XS1240. This lock came with a Marlin 22 rifle. I think that the only reason that it came with it is because they needed to sell it with a lock, because the security on this is a little bit suspect. Usually it's a fairly easy lock to open, so let's go ahead and see what it takes to get into it. Use bottom of the keyway tension, and for this particular lock, my favorite way to open it is to use this Sparrow's double peak and 25 thousandths. It's fun because here's why. So put on some tension. Kind of go in there and put on tension and kind of. I'm gonna put on too much tension. There we go. So it's kind of fun to open it that way. Just kind of pull it out and kind of let it do its thing. Let's do it one more time here, just for fun, because it's so much fun. Try it again. And there we go. So that's the Marlin XS1240. As you can see, it's very high security lock. I don't really think it's intended to be high security. So there we have it for now. Peace.